Alright, this is a hidden fasteners inspection. The job name is Ramos. The job address is 2530 Northeast 120th Street in Spar, Florida, 32192. The permit number is 2023-070-695. There is the structure, no hidden fasteners on that. And I'll take you step by step and show you everything. Those are the gussets for the first two roof sections. That's the 4 screws in the tails. Here's the next two roof sections. Screws at the bottom. Screws in all the purlins. All right, the other side. All right, got one more set of roof sections to go and then we'll be all finished. Alright, that is everything for the first video. I will have a second video that shows you all the hidden fasteners on the post feet and the 6x6 post shortly.